Assalamu alaikum, class 3, day 16. Open your grammar book, lesson number 5, pronouns. Okay, the words what is pronoun? Define pronoun. Pronoun is used in place of noun. We don't repeat the noun again and again. We use pronouns for them. For example, Ali is a boy. Ali is a good student. Ali lives in Islamabad. We are repeating Ali so much time. So we can't repeat the noun so many times. So we use pronoun for them. So Ali is a boy. He is a good student. So look, I am using he here. He is a good student. He lives in Islamabad. So the words they, she, he, their, their, her and it are called pronouns because they have been used in place of proper nouns. Proper noun are a special person, place or thing's name. This makes the reading much more interesting. Okay, look. Read the following paragraph. Read it yourself and do the next exercise. Let us understand on page number 17. This is Angela's book. Please give it to Angela. We don't use the name, the noun again here. We use her for Angela. Why we use her here? Because Angela is a girl. H-E-R, her. This is Anita's ruler. Please return the ruler to Anita. Underline Anita and write her. Why we are using her here? Because Anita is a girl. So we use her for girl or woman. Mr. Saul is my neighbor. Mr. Saul has bought a new music system. Underline Mr. Saul right here because he is a man. Mr. Saul plays the music so loud that everyone gets disturbed. Again right here in the place of Mr. Saul. Okay, turn the page. Page number is 18. Copy the sentences in your notebook, but just do one book. Okay. Complete them in the correct pronouns. In the blanks, we have a table here. Singular, I, you, he, she, it, her, him, mine, yours, his, hers. Plural, we, us, you, they, them, ours, yours, theirs. The car is in the garage is ours. यह हमारी कार है. My father bought it yesterday. We use it for non-living thing or for animals. Sometimes maybe for humans also. Second, this is Stella's book. I will give it to her. We use I here and her book because Stella is a girl. Mr. Brown and his family are waiting at the airport. They are more than one, so they are plural. Write they here. They are going to Switzerland for a holiday. This is not our suitcase. It is yours. Write capital I here. It is yours. Okay. Next exercise.